bike parking solution that would lift your bike for you, wouldn't require physical strength, and would save floor space. It's all possible, and it is here. It's PARKIS. How it works. Drive in the front wheel. When the wheel is fixed, hold the saddle to lead the way and let PARKIS do its job. To remove the bike, just grab the saddle and pull firmly towards yourself. Many bike enthusiasts face a problem, a lack of storage space. All the available bike parking devices that solve this issue require great physical effort. So PARKIS was invented as a solution. The idea was born in 2014 and developed for over a year. By the end of 2016, a fully functional product was created. PARKIS is a solution that can be used by everyone, from teenagers to the elderly. It also saves at least 40% floor space, and it looks stylish. PARKIS. It's easy, fun, and simple.
I'm SMARTHALO 2. I'm lighter, slicker, leaner, and packed with new features. I'm still secured with an anti-theft locking mechanism, meaning you can always leave me on your bike. Yep, that's my signature halo and my new peak display. All the info you need at a glance. Need some help making it to your destination? Simply choose your favorite route type and we're good to go. Take a right here. Feeling adventurous? Use compass mode and find your own path. You made it. Want to push your limits? Follow your performance? And easily switch between metrics. Hey, it's getting dark. I'm turning the light on. I also make sure you don't miss important calls. Uh-oh, watch out, thunderstorming coming. Better pick up the pace. Yeah, I'm also connected to your smart home to make your life easier. I'm always on guard. If anyone tries something funny, I'll bark loud. I mean really loud.
Reflector LUBRI is the revolution in bicycle care. You're gonna love taking care of your bicycle chain. No more dirty hands. The LUBRI is smart, small, and always with you, whether in your commuter bag or on a bike tour. It only takes a few seconds to prepare your bike for the next ride. Simply hold the LUBRI between your fingers, press it lightly on your chain, and let your crank turn backwards. Everything else happens automatically. With the LUBRI you save oil up to 90%. Good for you, good for the environment. No oil flows into the cloth, no oil splashes around. Not on the ground, not on your bicycle frame, and certainly not on your fingers. Also, the pros down at Mike's bike shop around the corner are convinced by the LUBRI. Hey Mike, how do you like the LUBRI? Reflector LUBRI, the smartest tool ever for you and the environment.
want you to be seen.
Reflector Vortex, the world's first crank reflector. The smallest accessory ever for your bike with the largest possible impact on your safety is specially designed for bicycles with clipless pedals that do not provide space for reflectors. With a set weight of 2.2 grams, Vortex does not create any air drag or dynamic imbalance. Just a stylish look for your bike by day and safety for your rides in the dark. Reflector Vortex's design features a unique 3D formable film which perfectly fits the shape of almost every crankset on the market. Due to its sealed surface, Reflector Vortex is nearly indestructible and keeps its good properties for a long time. It can even withstand a high-pressure cleaner. Reflector Vortex is discreet by day but vibrantly reflecting at night and helps secure your space on the road. Its microprismatic technology reflects a vortexing and strong beam of light back to its source and attracts every car driver's attention. In comparison to old-fashioned pedal reflectors, Reflector Vortex increases your visibility through its 360-degree beam angle and helps even if your bike already has pedal reflectors. Reflector Vortex helps you master every dangerous situation in the dark, reflecting the light back to its source, making you visible with a stunning glow all around. No compromise.